This is Electric Universe, and today I have two clay balls mounted with the anode on top and the cathode on bottom, representing two spheres. These are made from backyard clay from my old laboratory. I've moistened them with purified water, and I'm about to run 10,000 volts through it. When it runs out of moisture, it stops discharging. The rest of the ball is wet clay. Interesting, I see a hexagonal shape in all of the dried portion where the arc was reaching out. So I've got a spray bottle, and I'm going to lightly spray the top portion. Let's try it again. I'm going to adjust it further down and give you some perspective here. Hard to focus through this glass. Really need to get a new tube. A vacuum glass dome would be amazing. A little closer. Okay, what I'm going to do at this point is let the clay balls completely dry out. I'll come back, I'll spray the surface, let it soak in a little bit. That'll create a dielectric layer when I moisten the top again. And then what usually happens is that dielectric breakdown evaporates out that layer right in between the lower moist layer and the top layer. So we're going to come back and try it, see if that works.